So exercise 3.3 from your textbook, question number 2 चा third sum है. Y is equals to cube root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x whole bracket square. This can be written as 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3, 5 minus x bracket square, whole thing raised to 1 by 3. We can always write it in this format. So, because this is very, very complex, it is not f of x raised to g of x, but the sum is very complex. याच्यामध्ये f of x function raised to function नाहीये, पण complexity जास्त आहे म्हणून आपण इकडे log घेणार, कारण after all log is taken where there are more complex things. So if I take log to this whole expression, I will use here log a raised to, here I'll use log a raised to m. So what is the formula of log a raised to m? M log a. So this whole thing will be written as log y is equals to 1 by 3 log of this whole thing. But now this log of a upon b. So when it is a fraction in front of log, then we'll say formula of log f a by b is log a minus log b. So I'll write it down as log of 3x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x square. Now see this expression. This is log of a into b. So we will use that formula. Log of a into b. Log of a into b is log a plus log b. So here I'll write log of 2x plus 3 plus log of 5 minus x whole bracket square. Finally, it can be written as log y 1 by 3 log of 3x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 plus log of 5 minus x square. आता हे मायनस साइन आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय झाली तर हे मायनस this also becomes minus. And this is again log of a raised to m. So it will again become 2 log a. Now, once we have got this, we have only got the expression till now. So log y is dy, after we take the derivative with respect to x, log y is into d is derivative of log y into derivative of y is equals to 1 by 3. Now, log of derivative of log of 3x minus 1. Log of 3x minus 1 is composite. So 3x minus 1 चा derivative येईल. Minus log of 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 चा derivative येईल. 2 log of 5 minus x. 5 minus x चा derivative येईल. Now, what is the derivative of log y? It is 1 by y. dy by dx is equals to 1 by 3. Log of 3x minus 1 चा derivative काय येतो? 1 upon 3x minus 1. आणि 3x minus 1 चा derivative 3. So I will get 3 upon 3x minus 1. Similarly, log of 2x plus 3 is 1 by 2x plus 3. And 2x plus 3 चा derivative येईल 2. Minus 2. Log of 5 minus x चा derivative येईल 5 minus x. आणि 5 minus x चा derivative काय येतो? Minus 1. So dy by dx will be y upon 3, 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus minus minus will become plus 2 upon 5 minus x. This is your answer. And then lastly, you can just write down here y ची complete जी value होती cube root of 3x minus 1 whole thing upon 2x plus 3 5 minus x whole bracket square whole thing upon 3 into 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon 5 minus x. This will be your final answer. 3.3 question number 3. These are very common sums in exam. It is y is equals to log x raised to x plus x raised to log x. अब यहाँ पे f of x raised to g of x तो है, लेकिन हम लोग डायरेक्टली लॉग नहीं ले सकते. रीजन, हमारे पास ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है. log of a plus b is log a plus log b. We don't have this formula. There is no such formula. So if I have to solve this sum, there is only one way. I will consider u is equals to log x raised to x, and I'll consider v is equals to x raised to log x. So y is u plus v. dy by dx is will become du by dx plus dv by dx. ये तो हमारा रूल था ना, addition of the derivatives. तो हम लोग u को ले लेंगे log x raised to x. So now this can be solved using log, क्योंकि ये function raised to function है. So log y u is equals to log of log x bracket raised to x. It will be तो ये आगे हो जाएगा. ये अगर ऐसा है तो ये हो जाएगा log u is equals to x log of log x. And now if we will derivate this, this will be 1 by u du by dx. Now log of log x will be taken as constant. We will derivate x plus x will be taken as constant. We will derivate log of log x. This is composite into log x. So du by dx will be u into bracket log of log x plus x. log of log x का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 1 upon log x, क्योंकि ये फंक्शन है ना पहला, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा, और फिर इस log x का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 1 by x. Now this x and this x will get cancelled. So our du by dx will be u was log x bracket raised to x into log of log x plus 1 upon log x. I will say let this be equation number 1. Now equation 2 is v is equals to x raised to log x. I'll again take log on both the side. Log v is log of x raised to log x. So log v is log x into log x, or otherwise this can be log x whole bracket square. Now if I want to take derivative, this will be 1 by v into dv by dx is equals to d dx of log x bracket square into d dx of log x. So this will be 1 by v dv by dx 2 log x into 1 by x. dv by dx will be v into 2 log x upon x, and v is x raised to log x. So I'll get v is equals to x raised to log x into bracket 2 log x whole thing upon x, and I'll say let this be my equation number 2. Now as y was u plus v, dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. So this will be log x raised to x log of log x plus 1 by log x plus x raised to log x 2 log x upon x. This is our answer. इसमें भी आंसर बहुत बड़े बड़े आते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रॉपरली गए तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं है. सेम है हमारा लोगैरिथमिक डेरिवेटिव जो है वही है, बस हम लोगों ने उसको u और v में डिवाइड कर लिया, क्योंकि वैसा तो कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है ना। अब इसके लिए डायरेक्ट तो कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है, तो हम लोगों ने एक पार्ट को u बोल दिया, एक पार्ट को v बोल दिया, एंड देन वी हैव डेरिवेटेड दिस।